Hi, what's going on? My name is Anand and I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough of SendMails.io. SendMails is an all-in-one email marketing and marketing automation platform. With SendMails, you can create email campaigns, automated marketing journeys, pop-up and web forms to capture the leads. So let's begin with a demonstration of the platform. This is the dashboard once you register to SendMails.io, where you can keep a track of all your metrics. For example, the credit usage, recently sent campaigns, statistics, open rate and click rate, and bunch of other things. Now, if you want to create a new campaign, you will first have to import your existing contact list, or you will have to create a new list. So just go to audience, list, and this is where you can create a new list. As you can see, I have already created an audience list. So I'm going to click over here. And this is where I can import a CSV file. So if you're already using any email marketing software, you can export the contacts from there. Or if you're not, then you can enroll the subscribers one by one from here. Or if you already have a spreadsheet like this, where it contains all the relevant field, you can just download that over here, and then you can import in bulk in this platform. So just click on subscribers and then import, and you can import the CSV file. So you don't have to do everything manually one by one. Or you can just use our APIs. So if you're a pro email marketer, you can make use of SendMails.io email APIs to enroll your subscribers. Not just that, you can embed our form. So this is the form which you can embed inside your website. You just need to copy this HTML code, embed it inside your website, capture all the leads from there, and you will be able to see all your incoming leads over here. Not just that, you can also create pop-ups. So inside SendMail.io, you can create pop-ups and capture all the leads. There are multiple ways through which you can capture the leads, or you can migrate your email list from existing email marketing platform to SendMails.io. Let me take you through MailChimp for an example. So if you go to MailChimp, there is an option to export your existing contact list. So just go to all contacts, and in the right hand side, you will see an option to export the contact. Let me just quickly show you that. Yeah, click on export audience, and you will get an option to export it as a CSV file, right? So you export that CSV file, go to SendMails.io, and you can import it over here. That is very easy to do. Also, you have an email verification system where you can integrate your favorite email verification software so that you can have all your email list clean. So just choose your email verification software and click on start verification process. It is going to take out all the invalid email from your list. Let's just see what are we getting over here. Okay, this is done. Click on done and look at the statistic. So how many of them are undeliverable and how many are deliverable, you can see over here, right? Not just that, you can create segments based on conditions. So just go to conditions, and this is where you can name it whatever you want based on the conditions. So for example, I want to create a segment of people who have an age above 20. So I'll just choose age above 20, and one more condition, say genders equals male. So all the people who have age above 20 and their genders are male, I want to name this as segment A, and I can save that. And what you will see is everyone is going to be automatically enrolled into this segment. So if I open this, you can see all the guys who have age above 20 are automatically going to be enrolled inside this list, right? So that's how it works. Now, let me take you to the overview. This is where you can have an overview of your entire list. Now, once you've imported your contact list, go to sending server. So here you can connect as many SMTP servers you want, but my personal choice would be connecting Amazon SES because it has the best deliverability, and for just $1 you can send 10,000 email. Whereas in MailChimp, you will have to pay $200 for sending emails to 10,000 people. So Amazon SES is the best SMTP server out there, and it takes only few minutes to create a new SES account. So create your Amazon SES account and connect it with SendMails.io. So as you can see, I've already connected Amazon SES as a sender over here, right? So once your sender is connected and once your audience is important, you are good to go. You can create a campaign or an automated journey. So let me just take you through the campaign. So this is the campaign. I've already created one campaign over here, but let me just quickly create a new campaign. Click on create a campaign. You can choose from regular or plain text. I'm going to choose regular. Now this is where you can choose the list. So I've created a generic audience list which I can choose from here. Or if you want to choose a segment, right? So we've just created a segment. We can choose that segment over here, or we can choose multiple segments. But if you want to target your entire list, just leave this empty and click on save and next. This is where you can name this whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it as marketing campaign. Subject line, you can put whatever you want. I'm just going to put it, hey subscriber, right? And here I'm going to put the same email as reply to over here. I will enable the tracking of email open clicks. I've already added the DKIM signature, and I've also added custom tracking domain for better email deliverability. I'm just going to click over here and click on save and next. That's it. This is where you can either import your existing HTML template. So if you are using any other email marketing platform, you can export that HTML template. Just go to your existing email marketing platform, go to the email templates, and this is where you can export it as HTML. So I've just downloaded it over here, and I need to import it as a zip file. So I will click here, show in Finder, and this is where I will have to put it inside a zip file, right? Once it is inside a zip file, I will click on select, click on choose file, and I will go to the zip file that I've just created. Okay, this is the zip file. I'll click on open and click on upload. So I can import my existing email template inside of SendMails.io. So this is the email template that I've created inside MailChimp, but I can import it inside SendMails and I can make whatever changes that I want, right? Now, going back, if I don't want to use the existing email template and I want to create everything from scratch, I can also do that. So I'll click on change template and start from scratch. Now I want to choose a blank template, although I have a bunch of other options as well. I can choose from the news digest, themes, WooCommerce, and bunch of other options, but I will just choose the blank template so that I can quickly show you how that works. So I'll choose the Email Builder Pro, and using a drag and drop system, you can easily create your email campaign. So I will import a logo. I want to customize that. I can change the image from here. I can change my width, height, padding, image URL, and whatever I want from here. Now I'll go to a widget once again. I'll copy the text, put it over here, copy the image, put it over here. Now I can choose any image I want from my desktop, but for now I'm just going to delete that and I'm going to add more widgets. So I'll add this 3 column over here, which I've just added. I want to add a YouTube video. I can do that over here using a drag and drop builder. Click on show more. I'm getting a lot of other options. So I want to add a table. I can do it over here. So this is the table. I want to add a button. I can do that as well. I want to customize the button. I can absolutely do that. I can add the URL, change the button text, colors, whatnot. Whatever I want, I can do it from here. Now, once I'm satisfied with my email template, I can click on save and close. And you can click on preview to just look at the preview of email template that you've just created. Not to forget, all your email templates are going to be 100% mobile responsive as well. This is where you can attach any attachment you want. It can be a PDF, video, image, whatever you want. Now just click on next. This is where you can schedule the campaign for whatever time you want, or if you just want to send these emails right now, click on send now. So this is the last confirmation for you if you want to check anything over here. And then if you want to shoot email, just click on send, or if you just want to test, click on send a test email. Using send a test email, you can just quickly test whether your email is looking good or not. If everything is good, then just click on send and it will start shooting email to everyone. So just click on send, that's it. And I will refresh the page and you can see my email is sent to 3 people, not everyone, because 6 of them were invalid emails. So it has just taken out those 6 people who were invalid, right? So now it is done. Now what I'll do is I will show you the automation. So this is where you can create automated marketing journey. Just click on add new to create a new automated journey, right? So you will get a bunch of options over here, but I'm going to choose, welcome a new subscriber. So whenever a new subscriber is added to any mailing list, this journey will start automatically. If you want to choose any segment, you can do it from here, but let's just keep it blank for now and click on confirm. And I'm going to name this as test automation. Click on get started. And this is the interface that you will get. Now, once a subscriber is added to your mailing list, what do you want to do? We want to wait for just 1 hour, and then after 1 hour, we want to send our very first email. So I'll just click on send an email, and this is where you can create your email template. I can just put welcome to my email list. I will choose my name. I will choose my from email. Okay, everything is done. Custom tracking domain I've just added over here. Click on save and next. Now this is where I can create a new template. I'm going to choose a basic one, a blank template. I'll click here. I'll use the Email Builder Pro to quickly create the email template. I'll just use the drag and drop builder to create the email. I can personalize that as well using these tags. So if I want to add someone's first name, I can just copy that from here. So this is the subscriber's first name, which I can copy from here. And just to personalize this, I'm going to paste this liquid tag over here. Hey, subscriber's first name, and then the text. And I can just quickly save and close this and click on next. And that's it, right? If you want to send a test email, you can do that from here. And if everything seems good, just go back to the workflow. I'll click on go back to the workflow. Now, based on the conditions, based on if the person has opened your email or not, you can start sending more emails. So if the subscribers have read your previously sent email, you can choose that email from here. If the subscriber have read your previously sent email, click on confirm. So if he have read your email, you can send a different email. If he haven't read your email, you can send a different email. Not just the email, but you can do a lot of different things as well. So here you can perform operations like you can assign any manual tag, you can copy the contact to any other list, or you can update your contacts attribute. So you can choose from any of these, or just go back and you can just simply send an email to that person. Not to forget, if you choose any email template, you can also add webhooks. So if the email is open, clicked, or whatever happened, a webhook can be sent to Pabbly or Zapier or any custom application that you're using. So there is an outgoing webhook which is there to keep a track of everything over here. So now that I've created my journey, I will click on go back, and that's it. This is how you can create your automated journeys. Now let's see how do you create pop-ups. Go to forms and click on create forms, and this is where you can create a new pop-up for yourself. I'm just going to choose from any of the existing template, and I'll click on start design. Yes, I will have to choose the list because everyone who's putting their email is going to be enrolled to that list, and I'm going to name it as generic list pop-up, and I will click on start design. So this is the pop-up you will be getting. Now you can customize the pop-up however you want. You can make use of liquid tags as well, and you can add whatever element you want. Once it is done, you can integrate that with your website. So since here no website has been integrated, we will have to go back, integrate our website, and we'll be able to show this pop-up to any website of our choice. Once it is done, I will just click on publish, and this pop-up is saved, and I'll click on close, right? So if I want to show this pop-up to any website, I will have to click on integrate, and this is where you can add your website. So that's it for the demonstration of SendMails.io. If you have more questions, check out our frequently asked question or drop your concerns in our live support chat. You can also reach out to us at sendmails.io/support, create a new ticket, and wherever you're stuck, we'll be there to help you out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.